It's really amazing the things that can be achieved with Photoshop. We can not only remove small parts in the image, but also large ones like houses, mountains, people, etc. Another tool with which we can remove larger objects is the Content Aware Fill tool, which fills in the space we choose or replaces one object with another. And the cool part is that Photoshop does this all on its own. The first thing we need to do is outline the place we want to change. To do this, it'll be faster and easier if we use the lasso tool we learned about earlier. As you outline what you want to remove, keep in mind that a bit extra should be included in the outline of the area. In order to fill this area, we need to go to the Edit menu, select Fill, and then a window will open, from which you can choose what to fill the area with. You can choose from several options, such as white, black, colors, and more, but we'll select Content Aware and click OK. Then deselect. What Photoshop is currently doing is analyzing what is outlined, the area around it, and taking the most appropriate parts for Photoshop and replacing them. This could be done with the Stamp tool, but it would definitely take us a long time to do. If you have any lines or fuzzy outlines left over from the effect, you can use the Stamp tool to overwrite them.